Hey guys, my name is Camila Passiani. I am double major in fashion marketing, business of beauty and fragrance. Today I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite aromatherapy techniques, which is pretty simple. I like adding a few drops of essential oils to any of my moisturizers. What I usually do after returning home from a busy day is taking a shower, and after I get out of the shower, I add a few drops of essential oil, specifically lavender, which is my favorite essential oil. I super recommend you to use it. It's such an amazing scent. So I add a few drops of lavender to my moisturizer and I just apply it over my skin, and I don't know, it just feels like super relaxing and it helps me unwind from that busy day. And the next day I just wake up much more energized and motivated to start a new day. So I basically learned about this technique in one of my beauty classes, specifically Beauty 210. I took it last quarter online and we had a workshop. And our workshop, since it was online, our professor, to make our experience much more exciting, she sent us a small box with several scents for us to explore and learn about their properties, mix them together and create our own fragrances. We also received 3 jars like this containing jojoba cream and some exfoliants, and with this we could create our own scrubs or even our own moisturizers. I personally created my perfect moisturizer by adding a few drops of lavender oil to the jojoba cream, and honestly, it's amazing. I love it. Being a business of beauty and fragrance student has allowed me to learn so much about fragrances and their power on our health and mental well-being, and it's amazing how much I'm incorporating everything I'm learning in class into my personal life and how it's helping me. It's just amazing.